Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. And yes, we were doing multiplication of money. We have started that and I have written a question on the board about multiplication of money, and now I want you guys to solve this question. Now see, in the last class I have leave that class on this question. I have told you that we will discuss this question today in the next video. So it's time for us to do this. Okay, so let us revise this question. Let us see what this question is all about. So this question says, if the cost of 1 kg of rice, now mind it, if the cost of 1 kg of rice is 34 rupees and 40 paisa, if the cost of 1 kg of rice is 34 rupees and 40 paisa, now find the cost of 5 kg of rice. Now, find the cost of 5 kg of rice. 1 kg, cost of 1 kg of rice is given. Cost of 1 kg of rice is given, and they are asking you to find the cost of how much? They are asking you to find the cost of 5 kg of rice. What we will do? 1 का दिया है, many का पूछ रहा है. क्या करेंगे? We will multiply. So let us multiply. First of all, we will write the statement. So our statement will goes like, cost of 1 kg of rice equals to cost of 1 kg of rice equals to 34.40. Cost of 5 kg of rice equals to how much? What we will do? We will multiply. That means 34 rupees 40 paisa multiply with 5. 34 rupees 40 paisa, we will multiply 34 rupees 40 paisa with 5. Now multiply and tell me the answer. Start from this place. Start from this place and move toward the left side. Come on, do the question. Completed? Okay, let us see. Now, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 5 zeros are 0, and now 5 fours are 20. So for that 20 we will write 0 and we will put 2 here. Again 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. We will give 2 here. 5 3 is 15, 2, 16, 17. And 2 place from right we will put a dot. So our answer this time is 172 rupees and 00 paisa. 172 rupees and 00 paisa. Okay, got it? So ये क्या है? This is our answer. ठीक है? So the cost of 5 kg of rice equals to 172 rupees and 00 paisa. Great. So I am going to erase the board and then we will move toward the next question. Okay. Moving toward the next question. Fine. So the next question is, a calculator cost rupees 40.78. A calculator cost a calculator. So this is a calculator and the cost of this calculator is 78.84. Now we have to find the cost of 3 such calculator. Now we have to find the cost of 3 such calculator. What can be done here? Now see, 1 का दिया है, many का पूछ रहा है. What we will do? 1 का दिया है and they are asking us to find out the cost of many. What we will do? क्या करेंगे हम? We will multiply. We will multiply. Okay? See, cost of 1 calculator is given and they are asking us to find out the cost of 3 calculator. Chalo, so let us multiply. Now, so I am not going to write the statement here. Okay, I am not going to write the statement this time. What you will do? You will write the statement yourself. I am just going to solve the question. Why we are multiplying 3 here? Now we are multiplying 3 here because 3 calculator का cost 1 का is given, 3 का they are asking. 1 का is given in the question. 3 का they are asking. So what you will do? You will multiply. So come on, multiply. Start from this place. Start from this place and move toward left. Come on. Do this question. Completed? Do the multiplication yourself. Okay. So 4 3s are 12. Write 2. Give carry 1. 8 3s are 24. 24 1. 25. Give carry 2. Now again 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 2. 26. For 26 write 6 and give carry 2. 7 3s are 21. 22 and 23. And 2 place from right we will put a dot. So our answer is 236 rupees and 52 paise. Our answer is 236 rupees and 52 paise. Okay. Nice, no? So beta, this is how we do the multiplication of money. We have done it several times, I know. Now next thing that we have to do is we have to divide. Okay, next thing we have to divide. Okay, let us see. We are going to do the divide and I have already explained you that divide means what? Divide means किसी amount को क्या करना? Money के amount को बांट देना. Okay. तो divide in money means money के amount को हम क्या करेंगे? We will divide it into several parts. Now suppose this is a rectangle and if I have been told to divide this into 4 parts, what I will do? I will divide it like this. So divide means क्या? एक किसी part को different हिस्सों में बांट देना. Okay. Now let us do the question. Suppose a question is divide 48 rupees and 24 paisa by 2. What what we have to do? We have to divide 48 rupees and 24 paisa by 2. We have to divide it. Come on, do the division. I have explained you division several times. Now do the division yourself. करिए करिए, come on. Okay, let us see. So we will put a division box like this. We will write. Let me make a bigger division box. $48.24 and we have to divide it by 2. Now first we will take 4. कितनी बार ले जाएंगे? 2 2s are 4. Put across. Carry down 8. Now 2 के टेबल में 8. How many times we will take? 4 times. 2 4s are 8. Carry down 2. 2 के टेबल में 2 1 time. Cross it. Carry down 4. 2 के टेबल में 4 2 time. Now our answer is 2412. So is this the correct answer? 2412? No. This is not the correct answer. So what we will do? We will put point from 2 place from the right. अब यहाँ से 2 place पे we will put a point. So now our answer is 24 rupees and 12 paisa. 24 rupees and 12 paisa. Now this answer is right. 24 rupees and 12 paisa. Okay, got it? So this is how we do the division. Okay, this is how we do the division. Now let us take one more question. Now this time I am going to take word problem. So the word problem is, if 8 cups okay, so the question is, if 8 cup cost rupees 134, find the cost of each cup. Now ज्यादा का दिया है this time and कम का they are asking. ज्यादा का दिया है and ये कम का आपसे पूछ रहे हैं. 8 कप का दिया है, 1 कप का they are asking, है ना. 8 कप का cost is given and they are asking you to find out the cost of 1 cup. ठीक है. ज्यादा का जब देता है, सपोज यू आर हैविंग, आपका बर्थडे पार्टी है, वहां पे आपने 8 फ्रेंड्स को बुलाया. ठीक है, आपने 8 फ्रेंड्स को बुलाया और 134 टोटल टॉफीज थी, तो हर एक फ्रेंड को कितनी टॉफी मिली. तो जब हम ऐसा क्वेश्चन करते हैं, मतलब ज्यादा का इज गिवन एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 और लाइक दैट, व्हाट वी विल डू देयर, वहां पे वी डिवाइड. वहां पे व्हाट वी डू, वहां पे वी डिवाइड. ओके, सो नाउ लेट अस सी. So the cost of 8 cups, 8 cup का cost is given. So our first statement will be cost of 8 cups equals to 134 rupees. Cost of 1 cup equals to 134 rupees 0.00 paisa divided by 8. Now let us do. What we will do? We will do the division now. So let us divide. Do the division yourself. Come on, I am not going to help you each and every time. Do this division yourself. Completed? Have you completed the division? Okay, let us do. So 8, first of all we will take it one time. One time we will get 8. Now count after 8 to get 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How much we have got? We have got 5. Okay, so we will write 5 here and we will carry down 4. Now count count 8th table to get 4. Now we don't get 54 in 8th table. 8 के table में हमें 54 तो नहीं मिलता. What we will do then? What we will do? We will take it 8 6 जा. We will take it 8 6 जा. 8 6 जा. How much? 8 6 जा 48. See, 8 6 जा 48. How much amount will be left here? 6. Now, we will carry down this 0. Now, how much time we will take it now? 8 7 ja 56. Now we will get 4. Again we will carry down 0. Now 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So I have crossed it here. C. So our answer is 1675. Now again this is not the right answer because we haven't put the point yet. हमने क्या किया? रुपीस पैसे को अभी तक हमने डिवाइड नहीं किया. तो हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do? What we will do? We will put point. We will put point from the two place from the right. So now the cost of 1 cup is 16.75. So that means 16 rupees and 75 paise. Cost of 1 cup is 16 rupees and 75 paise. Okay, got it? देखो, what was our question? Our question was cost of 8 books. Cost of 8 cups were 134 rupees, and I need to find out what is the cost of one cup. तो what I'll do? 1 cup का cost पता करने के लिए हमने क्या किया? 1 cup का cost पता करने के लिए हमने divide किया. So we have divided. अब भाई डिवाइड करने पे हमें क्या पता चला? Now डिवाइड करने पे we have got to know that डिवाइड करने पे हमें क्या पता चला? डिवाइड करने पे हमें ये पता चला कि भाई जब हमने डिवाइड किया तो हमें 1 कप का कॉस्ट पता चला, है ना? सो जब 1 का दिया हो मैनी का पूछे क्वेश्चन में, जब आपका 1 का कॉस्ट 1 का प्राइस कुछ ऐसा दिया हो एंड दे हैव आस्किंग यू टू फाइंड आउट द कॉस्ट ऑफ मैनी, सो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल मल्टीप्लाई. नाउ व्हेन मैनी का दिया हो एंड 1 का पूछे, सो व्हाट यू विल डू? मैनी का दिया हो और 1 का पूछे, सो व्हाट यू विल डू? You will divide. Yeah. Okay. So here we have completed our division also. I am going to take one more word problem question. Let us do one more word problem question, and then we will start something new. Okay, the question is, if 8 ball pen cost, again 8 is here, cost rupees 68.80, that means 68 rupees and 80 paise. Find the cost of one ball pen. Find the cost of one pen. The question is, cost of 8 pen is given. 8 pen का cost is given and they are asking you to find the cost of one pen. So what you will do? क्या करेंगे? We will divide. So let us write the statement first, है ना? Let us write the statement. The statement will be cost of 8 pens equals to 68.80. Now, cost of one pen equals to 68.80 divided by 8. So this is the division we have to do. है ना? Again we have to divide it with 1. Let me write it here so that I get space for division. Now let us divide. Okay, do the division yourself. Come on, do the division. Come on, let us do it. Now, how many times we will take it? We are having here 68. So if we are having here 68, हम कितनी बार लेके जाएंगे? Now 8 8s we get 64. 8 8s 64. Now 68 minus 64 we will get 4. Carry down 8. अब do we get 8 के टेबल में 48? Do we get 8 के टेबल में 48? Yes, 8 6 48. Now what we will do? We will put a cross. We will carry down this 0. Now 8 की टेबल में 0 आता है. Tell me, do we get 0 in 8's table? Yes, we do get. 8 zeros are 0. So 8 zeros are 0. We'll get cross here. Now our answer is 860. That means we will put right place से two place पे we will put point. Now our answer is 8 rupees 60 paise. Our answer is 8 rupees 60 paise. That means cost of 1 pen is 8 rupees and 60 paise. Cost of 1 pen is 8 rupees and 60 paise. Got it? This much is clear to you all. Now see, we have done multiplication, we have done division, and we have done conversion several times. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to start a new thing, that is preparing a bill. What we have to do? We have to prepare a bill. Okay? So let me draw a format of bill for you, and then from tomorrow we will start doing question on the same. Okay, let us do. First of all, I will make a border. Now, here I will write the store name. Okay, here I will write the store's name. Okay. Here I will write the name and address of the customer. And here I will write the serial number, name of the items, or we can just write items, and then quantity, rate, amount, and here total. ठीक है? First of all, I will write the name of the store. सबसे ऊपर I will write the name of the store. So say, yeah. Big Bazaar. Here I will write the date and bill number. यहाँ पे इनके पास क्या होता है? They write bill number, and here contact. Contact means in case of emergency हम उन्हें contact कर सके. ठीक है? Okay. Now here name and address. Name and address. Name and address किसका भाई? जो कि कंज्यूमर है उसका नेम, एड्रेस एंड टेलीफोन नंबर. एंड यहाँ पे डेट. वाई डेट? डेट टू रिमेम्बर कि किस डेट पे सामान खरीदा गया है. तो सी, दिस इज अ सोसो फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ बिल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट द स्टोर नेम, देन हियर वी विल राइट द कॉन्टैक्ट एंड बिल नंबर. ओके, देन इधर in this column we will write the name of the customer. Say Chintu. Okay. Here we will write the date. Okay. And यहाँ पे we will write the serial number. Say I have bought rice. Okay. And then I have bought salt. तो यहाँ पे what we write? इधर we write the items. What are those items that we are buying? तो यहाँ पे हम वो लिखते हैं. ठीक है? So this is a format of bill. So today I have shown you this format. Tomorrow we will discuss some more thing about the format of the bill and bill, its importance, and we will make some bill also. ठीक है? हम कुछ bill भी prepare करेंगे. Okay? Now till then, goodbye.